Good morning, guys. It's your favorite mortgage lender, Abdel Khawatmi, Paramount Residential Mortgage Group. Got mortgages. Want to quickly update us in regards to the market, what's really been happening. A lot of big changes are slowly happening. Jerome Powell came out on Wednesday earlier in a conference and specifically stated that it makes sense for the Fed to moderate the pace of these rate increases. We're slowly seeing a little bit of a restraint, and it's been sufficient to bring inflation down. Specifically, the pace of increases are coming as soon as December. This is huge. So he said this at the Hutchins Center at the fiscal meeting in the Brookings Institution. Now, Powell's statement alone was enough to bring that Treasury yield down. The 10-year note went from 3.75 on Tuesday to 3.68 on Wednesday. And actually, yesterday it dropped to 3.59. So what's so big about this? So the last time we saw drops in this was actually earlier. If you guys remember from my video when CPI reports came out in November, it was huge. And it dropped, not only did it drop the inflation targets, but it also dropped interest rates. Now, mortgage rates, guys, again, high picture thinking, aligned with the 10-year Treasury. So when the bond yields drop, rates drop as well. Now, rates could honestly be less than 6%, but mortgage-backed security market is really not working as it normally is. It's not running as great, again, because the biggest buyer of the market, the Fed, for years has left. They really don't want to go back because they don't think it's worth the risk. But again, guys, rates are dropping, and our expectations, a lot of different experts, they're going to continue to drop. We'll see again into this month, now in December, how the rates react once the Fed does indeed increase it by only 50 basis points. So far this year alone, they have jacked it up 375 basis points. So we saw a really aggressive turn in terms of the interest rate. They did what they had to do. But again, the comments from Jerome, super important, saying that they will indeed moderate the rate increases in terms of the Fed funds rate. We'll kind of see how the market reacts. Hopefully this will maybe potentially create some increase of buyer demand, buyer qualifications. We'll be able to keep making home ownership possible. Thanks, guys. Abdel Khawatmi, Got Mortgages. Happy Friday. Have a blessed day.